Okay, before starting this video, I need to tell you something. I need to tell you the difference between sensitive skin and sensitized skin. Sensitive skin is something that you are born with. It is a situation where your skin protective barrier is not as efficient as others, so it can get irritated easily. So now, what is sensitized skin? Anyone can have it. It can happen for environmental factor, allergens, cosmetics, or anything like extreme weather conditions. Our skin gets irritated. It's like the difference between psychopath and sociopath. Psychopath is something is born with it. Sociopath is society makes him or her to be sociopath. Very bad analogy anyway, so I hope you get my point. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna make a routine for both sensitive and sensitized skin, and this skincare routine may work for all skin types, but if you have like extremely sensitive skin, or your skin is like freaking out, it is way too irritated, you think that you need professional help, then go ahead and do that. For me, how I treat my sensitized skin, the key is to stick to a gentle but effective formulation and basic but efficient skincare routine. Oh hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti, and today this video is sponsored by Bioderma, where I'm gonna show you how to build a simple but effective skincare routine for sensitive skin, sensitized skin. It can work for all skin types, and I have been using Bioderma for a long time, and frankly I'm so happy to work with them. For this video, they have sent me a few stuff, and there is one twist to that. They sent me these things, but I already bought these things before they sent me, so I have like 2 of these things. Let me show you. See, I have this cleanser. This is what they sent me, and I have this cleanser that I bought from Nykaa, and this is a toner they sent me, and this one that I have been using. You can see I have used it like quite a lot. And they have sent me this Atoderm cream, which I have used before. And what else? Yeah, there's Sensibio micellar water. I think I reviewed this like 1 year back, and I loved it. It is my very first micellar water, and it worked very well for me. I think I've spoken about this cleanser before as well, but that was not sponsored because I bought this with my own money, and that time I was not even working with Bioderma, so I was just speaking from the place of the love for this stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that, leaving no room for doubts. So I like Bioderma because number 1, their stuff have worked for me. Second, they have effective formulation. Bioderma is actually a French pharmaceutical brand, and they have really good ingredients in their formula, and they have patent formulas as well. And I have been a fan of Bioderma like for a long time. So yeah, being said that, let's jump into the skincare routine that I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be simple, effective, no nonsense, just to protect your skin and to give your skin the support that it needs. So let's start with the skincare routine. The first step would be the first cleanser. For that, I'm gonna use Bioderma Sensibio micellar water. It has very gentle surfactants, soothing ingredients, and it has pH between 5 to 6, which is very good. It cleanses my skin effectively. It removes sunscreen, makeup, dirt quite effectively without being harsh. Just take some micellar water and just wipe it, and see the dirt is coming out. And yeah, I use it quite a lot. The texture is so watery and lightweight, and it has prebiotic plant sugars that can be very good for our skin's microbiome, and it has cucumber extract as well, which is good for soothing our skin. So yeah, overall a very good product, and if you're looking for a no nonsense skin loving micellar water, it can be the thing for you. So the step 2 is the second cleanser, and for that I have their soothing micellar cleansing foaming gel. It has this very clear lightweight texture. It lathers pretty well, cleanses my skin without making it dry. It cleanses quite effectively, and I have been loving this cleanser for this far. Again, we have those plant-based sugars that can work for our skin's microbiome. Like I said, it has gentle surfactants. It also has vitamin E, which is a very good antioxidant. Overall, I really like this, and I recommend this for all skin types. I actually have slightly dry skin, and it cleansed my skin well, like I told you, without making it dry, and it is actually quite effective. and I love this very much. I have been using this quite a lot these days. So now the step 3, which is a tonic. For that we have Bioderma Sensibio Tonic, and it has this unique blend of hydrating and moisturizing ingredients. It has glycerin as humectant, and it has allantoin and those sugar prebiotics as moisturizing ingredients. And I was concerned about two things about this product. So it has cetrimonium bromide, and I was like, why this is in this formula? Then I looked for the ingredient and how it works in different formulation, and I got to know that the safe limit of this cetrimonium bromide is 0.25% in the Livon formula. Then when the brand reached out to me, I asked them what is this cetrimonium bromide is doing in this toner or tonic. They said that they have been using this as a preservative. So in this formula, cetrimonium bromide is working as preservative. Then it has polysorbate 20, and I was like, why it is in this formula? Because this thing, it foams, so it concerned me, and I looked for this thing, and I came to know that the safe limit of this polysorbate 20 is from like 1% to 20% in a formula, and it can work for as many things like a surfactant, then solubilizer, then viscosity modifier, also texture enhancer. So when you see this thing is foaming, it is because of this polysorbate 20. And yeah, I have been using this quite a lot these days. You can see I have almost finished it, and you know, right, that my skin got irritated recently, and it helped me a lot. It is very soothing, very calming. It has moisturizing properties, but I have dry skin, so I need to follow up with a moisturizer. But if you have extremely oily skin and your skin just cannot take moisturizer, you can use this toner. Then you can just follow up with a squalene during the night time, and during the daytime you can use this sunscreen. Obviously, what's wrong with me? Yeah, sunscreen. And yeah, it has been working well for me. Even Anirban was using this because he doesn't like moisturizer, and he liked it very much. pH is around 5 to 6, which is very good for our skin's barrier. This tonic is lightweight. It calms down the skin without being greasy. Yes, sometimes when we are using like pH balancing cleanser, but we tend to forget that sometimes even water, like tap water, can be hard, because here where I stay, the tap water is around, the pH of tap water is around like 8 to 9. In that situation, we can use a pH balancing toner, and for that it can be a good stuff. And the next is moisturizer. That I had this Bioderma Atoderm cream, and I know this thing for a long time. I used this on my body, sometimes for my face, but when I used this for my face, I had noticed if I use too much, it makes my skin sticky. So damp your skin, use little amount, that will do the wonders. This cream actually has a very good blend of occlusive, humectant and emollient. It has bunch of emollients, then glycerin, it has niacinamide. Overall, it is a quite good product. And see, I have used this one. I have this backup, and their ultra soothing balm as well. And this is what they sent me, the cream. So yeah, this many Bioderma stuff I have. I'm a Bioderma junkie. And for the daytime, the last tip would be the sunscreen. Obviously, use any sunscreen that you like. And yeah, I made one sunscreen video a few days back. You might find it to be helpful. And for sensitive skin, sensitized skin, or if you are a beginner in skincare journey, then you can stick to this minimal routine with some effective skincare stuff that work for you. So yeah, I hope these things work for you if you choose to get this. And that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.